Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a video on changing the subject. So we're just manipulating equations, pretty much. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the first one, y equals mx plus c, and we want to make whatever's in the brackets the subject. Okay, so we're trying to make that c the subject. Well, this one's easy. All I need to do is move that mx to the other side. So y minus mx equals c. Okay, so just write it a bit nicer. C is equal to y minus mx. And done. Okay, so the next one, I'm trying to make a the subject. So a is here, okay, and I guess it's easier to think about it is I want to get what's furthest away from that a to the other side. So in other words, I need to get rid of this 2ut, so I'm going to move that over here. So 2s minus 2ut is equal to at squared. Now here I've got a times t squared, I'm trying to get a by itself. So the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to move this whole t squared to the other side, and that's going to sit below this. Okay, so in other words, a is equal to 2s minus 2ut over t squared. Done. Okay, next example. So v minus u over a is equal to t, and I'm trying to get u by itself. Okay, so as a rule of thumb, you really don't want to use, or you want to get rid of the denominator as quickly as possible. So I'm going to times the other side by a, or times both sides by a to get rid of that a. So v minus u is equal to at. And now I need to get this u by itself. So there's a few approaches here. I'm going to take a bit of a longer approach here because I want to keep this u positive. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that first to keep the u positive. So what I'm going to have is v is equal to at plus u. And now you can see is all I need to do is move that at back to the left-hand side. So v minus at is equal to u. That's done. Now you could have left the minus u there, but you just got to divide everything by -1 and change the signs. Okay, last one. So here's our formula, a bit complicated. So our a is here. Once again, you want to move what's furthest away. So in this case, ut. So s minus ut is equal to half at squared. Okay, now I see a lot of people get confused about this half at squared. You can also write that as at squared over 2, just to simplify it into one fraction. So it's s minus ut over there. Once again, you want to get rid of the denominator, so 2 outside of s minus ut is equal to at squared. You can expand it if you like, but it's not really necessary right now. So we need to get rid of this t squared, so we'll divide both sides by t squared. So 2 outside of s minus ut over t squared, and that's equal to a, and we're done. So we'll rewrite this as a is equal to 2 bracket s minus ut over t squared. All right, cool. So that was a short video on changing the subject. I hope it helped. If you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.